On this first trade right here, there was a pretty solid trend line making higher highs. It started to pull back up towards the top, and if it held the MA and the previous support that it kind of made there, I was going to go ahead and take a position, and it did right there. So right there, I would have taken my position as it broke that. I noticed that it made a little bit of a drop up there, so I was going to try to take my profits around that upper trend line. So I would have probably taken the profits right here. It just looked good to me with the descending trend line, and then of course right there it broke through, made higher highs, but I probably would have already been out this position already. So on this trade right here, it was really consolidating. It was really holding close to this support level past the VWAP. It broke the VWAP and broke that support level, so I expected there to be a breakout. So I was preparing to short the position, but I didn't get in time, so I was going to wait for a pullback. So right here is probably when I would have taken the position. I tried, but it didn't work. I noticed that little trend line, and it's below the support, which is now a resistance. So I go ahead and take the position. So it's holding under the MA and reacting to it just the way I wanted to. It's creating lower lows and it's going down towards that support. I don't want to wait too long to take my profits on this one. It's kind of slow going down. So as soon as I saw the first green candle around now, I probably would have taken my profits. So I would have been out of this already, and as you can see, it went ahead and broke through. Right here I see a really nice descending triangle forming, and it's consolidating around that trend line. Is holding it pretty well. I see the MAs, but I figured it could probably break through those as long as it held that trend line pretty well. And I had a really tight stop, which was just above those previous highs. And as you can see, it broke through the triangle right there, so it kind of invalidated the triangle. But I'm still in the position because I would have placed the stop just above those highs, and I just waited for it to play out after that. So right here it's been slowing down for a little bit, and I wasn't sure how it was going to react to that MA. But then it just broke right through them and started going down, and the shorts came in. So I still would have been holding the position right now. It fell pretty close, so I was pretty sure it was going to go down to the support. It made another red candle here. But then it started retracing a little bit. It started going down again, but shorters were taking their profits. So right here it slowed down, and I probably would have just gone ahead and went with them and taken my profits as well. And as you can see, the buyers came back in. It starts retracing, and then green candles form. So I'm pretty happy with how I would have played that position. On my final trade, the price broke out of that $12 support level. It even went down below the 200 MA. It started pulling back up to it, but I could see it was consolidating, kind of forming a resistance. There's also a resistance level above that and the 20 MA, so I was pretty comfortable here taking a short position right at the top of that 200 MA. And if I had, it would have played out pretty well. It sold off here, stayed below the MA, the 20 MA, and I probably would have held it until right here. And once it started retracing, I would have waited for the next candle to form, and I probably would have, if it was a green candle, I probably would have went ahead and sold.